Once you've created a source card in NoodleTools, you're ready to create note cards. To start, go to the Sources page. Find the source that you're using, and then look to the right side of the screen. Under the Note Cards header, click the New button to open a new note card. NoodleTools will not save a note card properly without a title. When you create a title for the note card, you should use one that tells you something about the information on the card so it is easier to locate later. The source for your notes will already appear on the card. If your source is web-based, you'll also see a URL in the URL field. If you have a page number for the information you are putting on the card, you can enter it in the page field. The note card is broken into 3 sections. The first section is the direct quotation field. This is where you will copy and paste a direct quote from your source. It's not a bad idea to include the correct in-text citation for the quote in this section as well. If you're not sure how to write the in-text citation, you can look at the Sources page, find the Options button for your source, and choose In-Text Citation, and you'll see the correct format. You could also embed pictures and YouTube videos directly into this field. Any information in this section and in the other sections can be edited for size, color, and formatting. So if you have important information you want to stand out, you can highlight it or change the font. The second section is the paraphrase field. This is where you'll take the quote that is in the direct quotation box and put it in your own words. The final section is the My Ideas field. This is where you should include your thoughts about the quote. Think about what it means and how it relates to your research question or thesis statement. How does it support your main idea? You can also include any questions that you have about the quote and areas that you think you should follow up on. Once you have entered all of your information on the note card, click Save and Close. You can save and close at any time and then come back to edit your notes later. Once you've saved your note cards, you'll notice that there is now a 1 in the note cards field for your source card. If you want to see all of your note cards, you can click the Note Cards tab at the top of the page. If you hover over your note card, you'll be able to see some of the information that's listed on that card. If you need to edit the card for any reason, click Edit and it will open the note card for you. If for some reason you can't see your note card on this screen, come over to the section that says Bird's Eye View. Drag the blue box over the little gray square and your note card will reappear. Once you have note cards created, you can also begin to drag them over to build an outline. This will be the topic of a later screencast.